Hello, my name is Jaden Stout. My dad is James Stout, and he works here at Windy City Equipment. He's the service manager. My dad takes me to work here all the time, and I don't know what these people do. So we're going to find out today. Let's go! Hi, what do you do here at Windy City Equipment?
I am the operations manager here at Windy City Equipment. What do you do here at Windy City Equipment?
I just stay here with my dad. Hello, what do you do at Windy City Equipment?
I help this guy so that we can all do our jobs correctly here at Windy City Equipment.
Cool. Miles, what do you do here at Windy City Equipment?
I'm kind of the eye candy.
What do you do here at Windy City Equipment?
I don't know what to do with my hands. What do I do with my hands? I don't know what to do with my hands.
Okay. Hello?
Hey,
What do you do here at Windy City Equipment?
what do? I pay the bills. That's what I do at Windy City Equipment.
So you pay.
I pay. That's all I do. I input invoices and I pay the bills. And then I get a nap in here and there.
That sounds fun.
Yeah. Thank you.
What do you do at Windy City Equipment? Hi, what do you do here at Windy City Equipment?
I order parts for the technicians and clean up their mess.
So you're kind of the janitor and the person that works. Sounds fun. Hello, what do you do here at Windy City Equipment?
I pick on little boys that ask me what I do.
Dang it. So it seems like I don't know what everybody does here. It seems like they fix restaurant equipment and they're really good at it. If you need any restaurant repair, call Windy City Equipment. I'm Jaden Stout and this is WCE News Special.